So the details about the Oppo's upcoming foldable phone, the Find N6, are coming out at a faster pace. And now, a Geekbench listing has confirmed the Find N6 will run on the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip paired with 16 gigs of RAM. But there is a catch. So let's jump in. So the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 will be powering the Find N6. However, per the Geekbench, this will be the 7-core chipset version instead of the original and most commonly used 8-core setup. So the same practice they have done to the last year's Oppo Find N5. We will talk about the scores, but let's first have a look at the core setup. So according to this 7-core setup, it includes 2 prime cores running at up to 4.61 GHz, which is the same like the regular version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. However, this newer customized 8 Elite Gen 5 of Find N6 has 5 performance cores clocking at 3.63 GHz instead of 6 cores. So there's 1 core missing but no change in the clocking speeds. As still it's an Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, so we are guessing the same Adreno 840 GPU to handle the graphics. Now, for context, the Find N5 also used a customized 7-core chipset, and in terms of performance, it was pretty stable and top tier level. We guess using a 7-core setup instead of 8 cores could be a way to optimize thermal management in a complex and an impressively thin body. Now for the scores, the Find N6 hit 3524 single core and 9090 multi-core points, a bit low on the average multi-core scores. But of course, it could be an early device, not the final unit. Also, a benchmark only tells a part of the story. On the other side, the real-world performance depends on the software and chipset optimizations, the cooling system, etc. Anyway, we already know the screen sizes of the Oppo Find N6. Also, it is set to bring a massive upgrade in the camera department. To check it out, click here. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.